Hello again, Irish fans. Welcome back to this week's edition for Animal Picks. Right now, my cat Gulliver is on an actual winning streak, believe it or not, at least if you're considering against the spread. He is now up to an incredible 6-3 against the spread and 2-7 straight up. So we'll see if he can continue his winning ways. I know he is actually now picking far better than me against the spread with Notre Dame. So let's see what he picks this week. Well, he took very little time in this one to continue trolling me by picking Northwestern. So who knows? Maybe he's got the secret of figuring out the spread. We'll find out this weekend. Go Irish, beat Wildcats.